Paul Tapier here at SEMA 2017 for Auto Parts Warehouse at Airlift's booth, again with Wade on the level. I'm looking at this WirelessONE display you have right here, and I'm looking at this hand controller. Look, you know what? My wife has a hard time. I hope she never sees this. Operating our Blu-ray player. Okay, now you can operate with this WirelessONE your air springs.
Absolutely. It's a integrated onboard air solution that is wireless, prevents running any air lines up into the cab, things of that nature. And we've had this product category for a while. This is the evolution of that, making the next step of advancement. It's a couple design differences for the consumers. We've got a true LED display that allows you to see the numbers more clearly. Plus, you actually can use text in the little control, so you can name your trailers. Makes it easier to remember what you've pre-programmed. But on an actual functionality level, we've got a new control module along with some other features that allow us to have a digital control kit that gives us the ability to have Bluetooth connection, as you mentioned before, that allows the consumer to also use their cell phones, whether it be an Android app or an Apple app.
I can see that right there. Get it at the App Store or Google Play.
Absolutely. Just a tool that allows them to see on their phones what's happening. It also allows us to connect with them, and if we need to push updates to, let's say, valving or anything of that nature where we want to see an additional improvement, you can just get an update through your app, and it then is pushed on into the control unit itself. One of the other features that is worthwhile noting is there's only 2 wires on this. Being digital, it has a sleep mode, just like your phone. So when it's stationary, it'll go into sleep. That allows us to run a hot and ground wire only. So you don't have to look for a keyed ignition source on a late model vehicle, etc. So really easy installation. Foolproof, allows you to have the neat tools of the phone application, or you can use the actual handheld remote as well.
And it does some automatic monitoring?
Correct, and that's the beauty of the digital aspect. It does keep track of what's happening with the system. If you're experiencing something that is unusual and you're not sure what it is, you can contact our customer service Monday through Friday till 8 p.m. Eastern and on weekends as well. And we'll jump on, we'll talk to you, we'll maybe jump in and actually talk with the box itself, and we can help troubleshoot any issues.
All right, let's go down the line here and look at Easy Mount and some of the features of this.
Sure, as again, an evolution of the product, trying to make things more compact and easier to install. A natural upgrade would be the WirelessONE Easy Mount, and the upgrade on that would be you've got all your benefits of your Bluetooth digital box, the control handheld unit, have the cell phone app, but we have now mounted everything on a steel frame powder coated. This is all one piece, has a larger pump, so a better duty cycle, so a little bit longer life cycle, and this can be bought as one SKU. Mounts right on your frame, comes with either self-tapping screws or U-bolts. So it makes the job real easy to just pull it out of the box, find your spot on the frame, mark it, U-bolt it, tap it, you're done.
I have to say, this looks really heavy duty.
Absolutely. In a minute, I'm going to take you over and show you the finished product on a truck. Yes, sir, as I promised. Perfectly installed. Unfortunately, not by me, but yes, installed. This is just showing an example of how easy it is. So you have that sealed unit with the WirelessONE Easy Mount kit with the upgrade pump. This particular example, we use the self-tapping screws. So you pull it out of the box, you mark your spots, you drill your holes, self-tap it. The only thing you do then is you run your 2 hot wires, hot and ground, and you have this system live. Now you're just running air lines to your airbags, and you've completed the kit. Totally wireless, digital, self-updating, use your phone. It's the easiest, simplest, and most effective way to get the most out of your air suspension.
Wade and Airlift, some exclusive things you should check out on Auto Parts Warehouse. All the Airlift products. I'm Paul Tapier from SEMA 2017. We have much more to come.